Jason here, back with another vlog. And in today's video we are going down to Palolem because there is a hidden place which is not hidden actually, but it's a very underrated place which one of my friends showed me a few, like 2 months ago. And yeah, it was a really cool place. There's a lot of water, and I did not have my drone on that day. I wasn't carrying it, and I missed shooting this very beautiful scenery, and so I'm gonna try doing it today. Unfortunately, it's very gloomy today. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing for today's shoot, but hopefully, as I was saying this, the sun just came out slightly. But yeah, I hope everything goes well, and I hope we get this shoot done. Today it's very gloomy because the east of India is currently bracing for a cyclone apparently, and as we were speaking, the sun just came out, and yeah, the sun is just coming out. So I just hope everything goes well and we get the shoot done. So yeah, I'm running quite late. Supposed to leave at 4. It's almost 4:45 here. So yeah, try to make it in time. Fortunately, this route has not a lot of traffic, so I think we'll be doing great. The sunset is just 10 minutes before 7.
Tonight I'm gonna feel alive, and no one won't be acting nice. So baby, go and start a fight. I'm in love with the city lights. Look, I'm enough of a big star.
This is where we parked, and that's where we need to go because that's all water down there. And yes, let's go fly the drone and get some nice shots. It's gone back to gloomy again, so I just want to see how it goes. Hope the sun comes out just a little bit at least. So yeah, without wasting any much time, let's go.
Let's stop, won't stop. Unlock your shop. Whatever you do, not up to you. We're gonna shut it up. Today I found out what I want. It's everything I've never had. It's been a lifetime feeling sad, feeling sorry for the things that might make you mad. But I'm back. Who's back, bitch? You ain't even sorry. All you do is make people around you damn worried. I know it might sound just a little bit corny. Now I know where I stand. Don't even have a plan. Unlock your shop. We're about to pop. Whatever I do, not up to you. We're gonna shut it up. Let's stop, won't stop. Unlock your shop. Whatever you do, not up to you. We're gonna shut it up. I'll shut it up. Just like glue, you'll be someone's too. It's time for you. Just do whatever you want. Unlock your shop. We're about to pop. Whatever I do, not up to you. We're gonna shut it up. Let's stop, won't stop. Unlock your shop. Whatever you do, not up to you. We're gonna shut it up.
Alright, so this is where we were. It's a nice place. This is where the fishing happens. So boats everywhere, and the thing is that there are a lot of birds in the sky, even above me. To be honest, it's going crazy. So yes, that is why I think I'm done shooting here, and probably even go up to the lighthouse. Not really sure, but yeah. If there is time, I think I'm just gonna go up to the lighthouse and get a few shots of that as well. And yeah, I don't really know how far it is from here. I think it's quite a long run, and I need to go for a wedding today as well. So might do it tomorrow or do it today, I don't know. Alright, so I wanted to go shoot the lighthouse now as well, but thing is that there's no direct route to go to there. So just going to go all around, which is about 22 minutes, and it's already 5:20, so I don't think I have enough time to make it there. So I guess that's the vlog for today. If you enjoyed the shots, make sure to like, share and subscribe. I know it's a bit gloomy today and the crows are just going wild today, but yes, I mean I've had my drone attacked by eagles before, and I don't want to lose it, especially not in the water. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.